Dear students, good morning to all. Have a nice day. Already Sunita ma'am taught chapter 1 food where does come from. I am Kalimagal. Now we will learn about second chapter components of food. Okay, now we will go to the chapter. Okay, first food. What is food? Food gives us energy to our body. Okay, listen all of you. What will happen to a car if it runs out of petrol? Its engine will stop. Petrol is the fuel that burns in a car engine and supplies it with energy. Similarly, your body also needs fuel to keep it working. The fuel you use is called food. Okay. So, food gives us energy to our body. Listen, a meal could consist of chapati, dal and brinjal curry. Another may be rice, sambar and vegetables preparations of ladies' fingers. Yet another meal could be oppam, fish curry and etc. Okay, all of you listen. The first activity, all of you listen, all of you. Our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain. Other items could be dal or a dish of meat and vegetables. Okay, wow. Then it may also include items like curd, buttermilk and pickles. Some examples of meals from different regions are given in table 2.1. Some common meals of different regions. Listen all of you. All of you listen the table. Okay, region, state, Punjab. Item of grain, maki. Maki means corn. Next item of dal or meat, rajma, kidney beans. Then vegetables, sarson sag, mustard leaf curry. Others, curd ghee. Then region or state la Andhra Pradesh. Item of grain, rice. Item of dal, dwar dal and rasam. For charu, meaning of charu. Then vegetables, gunduru, dodankei. Gunduru means in Tamil kovakai. Then others buttermilk, ghee pickles. Okay, ovakai pickles. Okay. Listen, do you think that our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose? Okay. Then next topic 2.1. What do different food items contain? What do different food items contain? We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. Where we get food get from plants or animals. Okay, these ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. Okay, these components are called nutrients. What does mean by nutrients? The chemical substances. The chemical substances in food that your body needs are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water which are also needed by our body. Okay, listen. Do all food contains all these nutrients? Then some given activities. Okay, wow. Some given activity tests. Starch test for starches, test for proteins and a test for fat. Okay, listen. Let us do this test and record all our observations. Table 2.2. Okay, now I will explain the box. Listen, dilute solution of iodine. A dilute solution of iodine can be prepared by adding a few drops of tincture iodine to a test tube half filled with water. Then copper sulfate solutions can be prepared by dissolving 2 grams of copper sulfate in 100 milliliter 100 ml of water. Then 10 gram of caustic soda dissolved in 100 ml of water makes the requisite solutions of caustic soda. Okay, listen. Then next, for carrying out this test you will need solutions of iodine, copper sulfate and caustic soda. You will also need a few test tubes and a dropper. Okay, these test cooked food items as well as raw materials. The given table 2.2. Okay, listen. Let us being the test different food items to see if they contain carbohydrates. There are many types of carbohydrates. The main carbohydrates found in our food or in form of starch and sugars. We can easily test if food item contains starch. Okay, now we will learn about table 2.2. Listen, all of you. Nutrients present in some food items. All of you note the answers. Okay. The first one, food item, starch, protein, fat. Okay. Present or absent. Now I will tell the answers. Okay. First, raw potato. Raw potato, presence of starch. So, yes. Next, absence of proteins and fat. Okay. Then next one, milk. Milk also absent. Okay, absence of starch, presence of protein, presence of fat. Next, groundnut. Groundnut also presence of protein, presence of fat. Then uncooked dry rice. Uncooked dry rice, presence of starch. Absence of proteins and fat. Then cooked rice. Cooked rice, presence of starch. So you write yes. Okay. Absence of proteins and fats. Then next, dry coconut. Dry coconut also presence of fat. Okay. Then uncooked dwar dal powdered. Okay, uncooked dwar dal powdered, presence of proteins. Then cooked dal is also presence of proteins. Then a slice of next one, a slice of any vegetables. Any vegetables, all are absent. Starch also, starch, proteins and fats also absent. Next, slice of any fruit. Slice of any fruit also all are absent. Starch, proteins and fats are absent. Then boiled egg white. Boiled egg white portion. Okay. The presence of proteins. That's all. All of you note the answers.